Jay Haynes with the Film Sensei YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show how to create set extensions for free using artificial intelligence. Okay, so this actually is surprisingly easy to do. I will say though that while you can do it with a shot where the camera is moving, it's a lot easier to do if you have a lockdown camera shot. So that's what I'm going to do. In DaVinci Resolve or any editor that you choose, the first thing you want to do is you want to essentially get a clean plate here. So what you'll do is you will export that frame in DaVinci Resolve. It's file export and then current frame as a still. Then simply find a place to put it and then call it whatever you want and click export. So to create the set extensions, I can use Grok AI, I can use Meta AI, I can use Google Gemini or even ChatGPT. Today I'm going to use Meta AI because it's free and very easy to use and you can create all kinds of different things with it. So you go to meta.ai, I'll leave a link in the description, and then if you don't have an account already, just click sign up and it will ask you to either provide your Facebook, Instagram, or email, and it's free to sign up. After you've signed up, what you're going to do is you're going to click on this plus icon to add media, and you'll select Add Media and Files. Then you will go to the folder where your file is and select that. So now comes the fun part. What you're going to do is you're going to type in the prompt that you're looking for. In this case, I'm going to type in, place a very large stone tower on top of the hill behind the man. The entire tower should be visible in the image. Also, remove the man and the chair from the image. You can put whatever you want. You can ask for anything that you feel like. And now I'm just going to hit send, and it will generate 4 different options for me to see. And as you can see, it removed the chair, but it didn't remove the man. But I'm very happy with all of these. I think I will select this one. And now it's showing it to me. And now from here, I can modify this image as I want to. I think I will go ahead and get rid of me. So I will just say remove the man and select that. And now it should remove me in the next iteration. And it will again create 4 new images for me to choose from. And there they are, and I can pick any one of these. I think it looks great. And that's exactly what I want to do. So now all I have to do is just select this icon to download that image. So now back in DaVinci Resolve, I'll just go ahead and grab this tower and drag it into the media pool. And then I will go ahead and place this on top of the other video in the second track. From here, I will come over to the color page and I will go ahead and select the polygon mask tool. And from here, I think I can basically, let me just do this first. See if there. And if I right click here and I say add an alpha output and then I drag this in, now you can see. And this you can do in any video editor that has masking available. So now I'm just going to right here like this. And now I'm just going to feather the mask a little bit so that it looks halfway decent. If I come back over here to this page and I play it, it looks great. And it's really that simple. So in a nutshell, it's really that easy. You're only limited by your imagination when it comes to creating set extensions in your shots. Let me know what you've done. If you have created set extensions for your short films or videos, let me know. Send me a message, put a comment in the chat here, and I'd love to see it. So until next time, this is the Hit Film Sensei, Jay Haynes. Thanks for watching.